The Missouri River now a problem to the east of the city.
KMBC9's Brenda Washington is live in Orick and Ray County with what they're facing there. Hi, Brenda.
Good morning, guys. We're here on the southwest side of Orick, and now that it's getting light, you may be able to see all of this water much better. It's covering hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of acres of farmland. We're here on Sibley Road, which again is southwest of Orick. Now, this flooding began last week, but as far as the levee, well, this is not from the Missouri River or over the levee. This is from Fishing River. It's backing up because of all the high water in the Missouri River. I just spoke with a volunteer who has been helping with sandbagging along the Missouri levee. He tells me they have probably sandbagged more than 100 boils along that levee. You know, those are dangerous along levees because they can weaken a levee, and then you could have a lot of serious problems with flooding. Now, those volunteers, including the National Guard, they've been sandbagging for the last couple of days. They don't really plan on doing anything right now because I'm told the levee seems to be holding, so they're just keeping an eye on it right now. And then coming up in our 6 o'clock hour, we're going to be talking with one of those volunteers who spent a long night and some long days sandbagging the levee. So, guys, from near Orick, back to you.